I tried TikApplycom reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. TikApply claims to simplify job applications and career growth, but most people get this wrong. They assume online job platforms are slow, spammy, or unreliable. I spent a full week testing it. On day 1, I signed up and set up my profile. The surprising truth: creating a professional profile was fast, with step-by-step guidance and clear tips. Many assume it will be complicated, but TikApply made it simple. By day 2, I started browsing job listings. You won't believe how many relevant opportunities were available: full-time, part-time, remote, and freelance options were easy to filter. Most users get this wrong, thinking online platforms flood you with irrelevant listings. Day 4, I applied to a few positions. The app allows one-click applications and tracks responses efficiently. Many expect confusing processes, but TikApply made applying smooth and straightforward. By day 6, I tested employer communication. Notifications were timely and responses were clear. Most people get this wrong, assuming platforms don't facilitate real engagement, but TikApply proved reliable. On day 7, my final verdict: TikApplycom reviews app is legit, practical, and beginner-friendly. The shocking truth: online job platforms can actually streamline applications, improve tracking, and connect you with real opportunities quickly. With easy navigation, relevant job listings, streamlined applications, and responsive communication, TikApply makes finding a job online simple, efficient, and surprisingly stress-free.